The spell check function of WPS Presentation helps us to quickly check the spelling mistakes and provides suggestions for corrections. It saves us a lot of time to proofread documents. Click the Review tab and the Spell Check button to open the Spell Check dialog. Its shortcut key is F7. In the text box on the left, we can see that some words are marked red, and these are the words that WPS Office has detected for us that may have spelling errors. Take the first wrong word, notable, as an example. The suggestions will generate the correct word based on spelling intelligence when the mouse clicks where the word is located. Select the word that needs to be corrected, and then click Change. Then we can revise the word. Click Change All to correct the misspelling of all these words in the document. We can see that some people and place names in the document are also marked for misspelling, and in fact, there are no errors in these words. In this case, we can choose to ignore or delete the marks completely. 1. Ignore. Take Remy as an example. We can click Ignore in the pane to ignore the error of this word, or we can click Ignore All to ignore all error prompts for this word in the document. 2. Add to Dictionary. Take Van Gogh's as an example. Click Add to Dictionary in the right pane to add this word to the proofreading dictionary so that if we encounter this word again in the future, the error mark will not appear again. In the Spell Check drop-down button, we can choose Set Language according to the language in the document.